Hello guys, my name is Radu and today with my gorgeous wife Miruna, we'll react to Prevail's new album Violent Nature. It's finally out!
Finally!
We reacted to the all 4 singles already, so if you want to see those reactions just go on our channel and click on them and watch them because they're fun. And now we will react to the rest of the album, the first 3 songs and the last 3 songs.
Last 3, yeah.
So let's start with Synthetic Soul.
It's quite a short album.
It's more like an EP.
Yeah. Mini album, I guess.
Yeah. Actually, it's not an EP because they...
Ooh, wow.
They're over 30 minutes. So everything about
So
above
it's a mini album,
30 minutes, it's an album.
Yeah. The vocals.
Yeah.
Where is he? So this was released yesterday, so...
Yes. So no lyrics.
Yeah.
Because Spotify takes 1 week to upload the lyrics.
Yeah. And I hate it. Oh yeah, that's what I want. Oh. This is so
Bad Omen.
yeah.
Bad Omens and Silent Planet.
Yeah.
For all my sins, for all my flaws, bring me the rapture, tear me apart.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Hard. Oh yeah.
world order.
Oh, that's what it means.
Yes.
I was gonna say what? Oh! Whoa! Okay. Oh! What am I listening to?
Chaos!
Oh! Whoa! 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 I still don't. I don't know what am I listening to?
I like the new world order.
This one knocked my socks off. Oh! Oh my god.
Same band, by the way.
Yeah, same guys, by the way.
I like the drumming in this album. It's great.
Yeah.
Eric, you motherfucker. Look at his name is Eric.
Yeah. Guitar. Whoa! This is insane.
Oh, savior of the broken, go save yourself instead. All your good intentions will kill us in the end. Don't fucking pray. Don't pray.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna jump over to Crimson and Clover.
This banger,
because-
this banger we already know.
Yeah, we already. Imagine if they were all released at the same time. I think that would have just blown our brains away. This is quite chill.
I boarded up the doors, but you still broke it.
This voice, my fucking god.
Been picking up the
I don't understand. So the last albums, he didn't sing anything. He was just screaming.
Why wasn't he fucking singing?
And now
And now he just. And now he does this.
he hides.
So he just hides this all along.
I'm sorry.
I feel betrayed, okay?
sorry
and I
because-
wasn't even a fan until like May.
I'm sorry because the old vocalist left, but I'm happy because we discovered Eric's clean
Yeah.
vocals.
Yeah,
Just listen to this.
exactly. How was he not singing until now? What do you mean he was just screaming? What do you mean?
I almost teared up. That guitar also.
I learned to tear these walls down if you let me. Been holding on to secrets we can't tell. Now I'm burning all the letters that you left me.
What is this song?
Love to wish you well, but I don't. We pretend to know the words, but nothing changes. The hardest truth's the lie I held on to. So torture me when it's over, and I lose composure. It's all in my head, but I still keep holding on. Your words like crimson and clover. Call back when you're sober. Tonight will end, and tomorrow you will say you found yourself, and you wish me back to hell. But you'll lay your head down with me on your mind. So go dream of
This song
someone else, because we
on the same album with Violent Nature, by the way.
Yeah. Same guy, by the way. Same guy singing. Crazy.
But we've done this dance before 1,000 times.
Like, we were literally gatekeeping him. Can you believe that?
And I lose composure. It's all in my head, but I still keep holding on. Your words like crimson and clover. Call back when you're sober. Tonight will end, and tomorrow I'll be gone.
Crazy. And the next one.
Whoa. Whoa. Okay.
Same album.
god. Wow. Whoa, 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 whoa. Where is it going?
Parasitic, inorganic, counterfeited, narcissistic, self-obsessive. What's the difference? It's that hatred of fear. When you pray to your God and the devil appears, the ending is near. You will fucking rot.
Whoa! Whoa!
This is ridiculous. This sounds like Doom soundtrack.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
This is nasty.
Oh my god.
Stay away. How do you explain to a regular listener that Crimson and Clover are on the same album with God?
And New World Order, by
Yes.
the way.
Or Violent Nature?
Yeah.
Like a sickness. The bile tastes like sugar on your tongue. I can feel you crawl on my skin, but I've let you in. I feel
The fuck is this?
so
How many listeners do they have?
They better have a lot. Oh,
Yes,
4 million.
yes,
Yeah.
go 6 million. They need at least
That's what I'm
after
talking
this album.
looks like you found a new obsession. Picking the wings off butterflies. You never seem to learn a lesson. But I
The drumming.
you will in time. Now I'm
Yeah. Bro, what the hell? How is this real? Wow.
Yeah, this album is wow. Also, look at this gorgeous vinyl.
Yeah, the vinyl is insanely pretty. It's limited to 1,000. Oh my god. Maybe we can find it on Vinted
Yeah.
in like a year or two. Oh my god. Dude. How...
never coming down.
just like that. They cut off.
Bro, what the hell?
Yeah.
What the hell?
No.
What the hell? Imagine if this was like released all in like a batch. I think we actually would have just fainted.
Yes.
Nah, this was an insane album. Genuine.
No, it's too good. This album is.
Like, actually so insane and
I expected it to be good,
wow.
but not like this.
Yeah, like
This
not
is-
one
this,
bad
this, This is
song.
just wow. It's not good. It's
Yeah.
insane.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa.
I also love this
Comes in
chill
cover.
one.
Yeah.
It's so emotional.
Yeah.
I think my favorite is New World
I
Order.
can't pick. Like they're all so good that I can't pick.
I'll make
So-
the choice. It's New World Order.
Honestly, I think if I were to choose one, I would pick Violent Nature or Annihilate Me.
Okay.
I think. So yeah.
Yeah, old album is insane, so
Yeah, the whole album.
you can't
is
really pick. But
crazy.
this one stood out for me.
Yeah. And God.
And God, yeah, of course. And also Crimson and Clover.
Yeah.
It's very emotional and
Yeah.
hits the spot.
Yeah.
So yeah,
That was
crazy
the
album from I
that was the
Prevail.
album.
I'm sorry because the
Insane.
vocalist is no longer with the band, but what vocalist they have now?
They were gatekeeping him from us.
Yes. Eric stood up and delivered. So yeah, this was our reaction to I Prevail's new album. Just the 6 new songs. The other 4 are on different videos. Just go on our channel and watch them. They will that will help us a lot. Also, you can hit the subscribe button, follow us, and wait for more videos like this. So cheers.